Hello dear respected viewers, Assalamu alaikum. We know that all over the world, most of the people speak in English. That's why we have to be a fluent speaker in English. Okay, let's learn how to be a fluent speaker in English. Adjacent to, নিকটবর্তী সংলগ্ন. Adjacent to. তাহলে আমরা একটা সেন্টেন্স মেকিং করব. The house is adjacent to the river. The house is adjacent to the river. The house is adjacent to the river. বাড়িটি নদীর সংলগ্ন. আমাদেরকে বারবার প্র্যাকটিস করতে হবে. We have to practice more than 100 times. Then we will get fluency in this sentence. You will be able to speak in English with someone and others as a fluent speaker. Okay, next time see you again in my another videos. Stay with us till then. Assalamu alaikum.